Welcome to our Minecraft Survival Tips Guide. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, these tips will help you survive longer and thrive in the game. Let's dive in. First, always prioritize building a shelter. The night in Minecraft is dangerous, so secure your base with walls, a roof, and a bed. Don't forget to store food and water nearby. Next, gather resources wisely. Wood is your best friend for building and crafting. Always keep a few logs and planks handy. And don't forget to collect stone for tools and structures. Upgrade your tools early. Stone tools are better than wood, and iron tools are even better. Don't wait to upgrade. Every upgrade helps you survive longer. Learn to farm efficiently. Wheat, carrots, and potatoes are essential for food. Set up a farm near your base to ensure you never run out of food. Always carry a torch. Even a small torch can help you see in the dark and ward off creepers. Make sure you have at least one in your inventory. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for survival. Always carry a water bucket and refill it when you find water sources. Don't let thirst kill you. Avoid hostile mobs at night. If you can't sleep, build a redstone lamp or use a torch to create a safe zone. Don't be afraid to stay awake if you must use the Nether portal wisely. The Nether is dangerous, but it can be your best friend. Make sure you have a shield, a bow, and a few potions before you go. Stay updated with the latest Minecraft trends. New updates, mods, and servers are constantly evolving. Check out the official Minecraft forums and YouTube channels for the latest news. Join popular Minecraft servers. Servers like Hypixel, Mineplex, and Sky Factory offer exciting gameplay, challenges, and community. Don't forget to check server requirements before joining. Use mods to enhance your gameplay. Mods can add new features, weapons, and challenges. Always download mods from trusted sources and keep them updated. Create your own server. It's easier than you think. You can host a server for friends, or even build your own custom world. It's a great way to share your creativity with others. Explore the End. The End is a mysterious place with a powerful boss, the Ender Dragon. Be prepared with a diamond sword, a bow, and a few potions before you go. Join a community. Minecraft is not just a game. It's a social experience. Join a server, chat with friends, and share your creations with others. Use redstone to automate your base. Redstone can help you create traps, doors, and even automated farms. It's a great way to save time and effort. Don't forget to save your progress. Always save your world before you start a new project. Use the Save Game button or back up your world to a cloud or external drive. Experiment with creative modes. While survival is the focus, creative mode lets you build amazing structures and explore new worlds. Don't be afraid to try new things. Stay safe and have fun. Minecraft is a game of exploration, creativity, and survival. Don't rush. Enjoy every moment and make the most of your gameplay. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more Minecraft tips, trends, and server updates. Happy mining and surviving!